Imagine a way to break free from debt faster, save on interest, and boost your credit score by 40 points, all with one smart strategy. Yes, we're talking about debt consolidation. Studies show that consolidating even $5,000 of credit card debt can put you back on track financially and improve your FICO score. Let's dive into how debt consolidation could be your best move to tackle debt, regain control of your money, and achieve financial peace of mind. Debt consolidation simplifies payments and may reduce interest rates. Knowing your debt load is key to building a successful payoff strategy. Budgeting and adjusting income can accelerate your debt repayment efforts. Prioritizing high-interest debts and keeping a low credit utilization ratio will improve your credit. To win the battle against debt, you need to understand where you stand financially. Start by listing all your debts, including credit cards and loans, and compare them to your annual income. This debt-to-income ratio tells you the intensity of your debt load and guides you toward the best strategy for repayment. When it comes to clearing debt, not all strategies are equal. Here's a quick look at two popular methods. Debt snowball: tackle the smallest debt first to gain quick wins and build momentum. Debt avalanche: attack the highest interest debt first to save money on interest over time. If your debt exceeds 50% of your income, debt relief options like debt management programs or consolidation loans may be worth exploring. Success in paying off debt begins with a clear plan tailored to your needs. If you want to handle debt on your own, here are two powerful approaches. Debt snowball. This strategy prioritizes smaller debts for easy wins, creating motivation as you see quick progress. Debt avalanche. With this approach, you focus on the highest interest debts first, which saves more money on interest but may take longer to see results. Choose the one that suits your mindset and financial goals. Debt consolidation merges all your high-interest debts into a single, lower-interest loan or credit card, which can drastically reduce the total cost of your debt. This approach simplifies payments and reduces the financial burden of multiple debts, helping you get out of debt faster and save money in the process. Balance transfer card offers 0% APR for a limited time, ideal for short-term repayment without accruing additional interest. Debt consolidation loan provides a fixed interest rate and repayment plan, making it easier to budget and plan. Did you know? Balance transfer cards can save you up to $1,749 in interest over time, while consolidation loans provide a more predictable repayment structure. A well-structured budget is essential for freeing up funds to pay down debt. Consider budgeting methods like zero-based budget: every dollar is allocated to a specific purpose. Envelope system uses cash for different categories to control spending. 50-30-20 rule earmarks 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. Personal finance apps can automate budgeting and payments, making it easier to focus on debt repayment without the stress of manual tracking. Lowering your monthly bills frees up cash to throw at your debt. Here's how to do it. Negotiate rates. Call up providers like your phone carrier, internet provider, and even credit card companies to negotiate lower rates. Switch providers. Shop around for better deals on services such as car insurance and utilities. Switching providers can save you hundreds annually. With these extra savings, you'll have more to apply towards your debt each month, moving you closer to financial freedom. Extra income supercharges your debt payoff. Here are a few options to consider. Side hustle. Gig work like dog walking, freelance services, or rideshare driving offers flexible hours and can boost your repayment plan. Salary negotiation. Research your role's market rate, highlight your value, and ask for a raise. Every little bit helps. An increase in income, even temporary, can make a significant impact on your debt repayment progress. If budgeting and extra income aren't enough, consider debt relief options, debt management programs. Work with creditors to consolidate debts into one payment, often with lower interest rates. Bankruptcy provides a fresh start by either wiping out or reorganizing debts. Though it impacts your credit, it might be the best choice in severe situations. Debt settlement. Negotiate a lump sum payment that's less than what you owe. This option may harm your credit but can provide substantial debt reduction. Prioritizing high-interest debts with multiple debts, targeting high-interest accounts first is critical. On average, credit card interest rates hover around 16% annually, making it essential to prioritize these debts to save on long-term interest. Use the debt avalanche method to focus on high-interest accounts first. This strategy saves the most on interest and accelerates your journey to being debt-free. Credit utilization is a significant part of your credit score, making up 30% of the calculation. Lowering this ratio by paying down high-balance accounts can boost your credit score and improve overall financial health. Consolidating debt with lower interest options like personal loans or home equity loans can help you pay off credit cards faster, reducing your credit utilization ratio and, in turn, increasing your score. Debt consolidation has many benefits but may impact your credit short-term due to a hard credit inquiry. However, the long-term payoff, lower monthly payments and faster debt reduction, can be well worth it. Before consolidating, ensure you understand all terms, including fees and interest rates, to make sure it aligns with your goals. A well-crafted plan brings order to your finances. Here's how to start. Identify your debts. List balances, interest rates, minimum payments, and due dates for each account. Update your budget. Adjust your spending to prioritize debt. Allocate income for repayment. Decide if you'll use the snowball or avalanche method and focus your efforts. This guide has armed you with powerful strategies to crush debt and reclaim control over your finances. By understanding your debt, exploring consolidation, and employing budgeting tactics, you're set to achieve a debt-free life. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and don't be afraid to negotiate or adjust along the way. Debt consolidation, budgeting, and a bit of extra income can accelerate your journey, bringing you closer to financial stability and the peace of mind you deserve.